Great questions, right? How do I set up my business profile for PhotoBiz AI in my account? Very good question. Very good question. This is something that you're going to definitely want to do if you haven't done it already. So let's walk through what this is going to do. So setting up your business profile is going to, when you see in the builder itself, there are sections that says PhotoBiz AI or Ask PhotoBiz AI. And what that's going to do is it's a convenient partner for you. So if you need help writing something, generating content for like a blog, or you want it to rewrite sections of your website or SEO, when you set up your business profile, it's already being fed to it how to interact with your website, what you want it to say, your location, and your tone of voice. So those are something you're going to want to set up if you haven't done already. If you're already an existing customer, you probably haven't set it up. But if you're a newer one, that's something that you're definitely going to want to do as you get started. So let's jump in there and showcase how to do it. Okay, so over here in the left side menu, you'll see branding. Click on branding, and then from there, you'll go all the way down to the business profile. From here, you want to fill out the details such as your business name. So we have it set up for Jane Doe Studio. We have our location as New York, New York. Our specialities and services, we do senior photography, and the style and approach that you want to take. So we're going to have, I'm going to change it to, instead of saying Jeremy Heiler, we're going to make it say Jane Doe. Jane Doe Studio captures senior photos in X location and around these surroundings. This is something that you want to bring in there and add to those details. So I'm going to put New York City and surrounding areas. I work to showcase your personality and such. So those are some things that you want to make sure is written in there. How do you want to? What's your approach? When you're looking like what makes your work or personality unique? I love capturing candid moments and making people laugh, something like that. So if you're bringing humor to it or anything like that, that's something where you go in there. And then also what your brand voice sounds like. Are you going to be fun and playful? Are you more polished and professional, friendly and casual, artistic and expressive, or are you calm and elegant? Then you'll feed in other information such as your business information down the line. This just helps in general put you in the location. So we're going to save changes. And what this is going to do is, so when we come over to our website builder, say I'm going to create a new page, maybe you're loading in something for the first time ever. What it's going to do is it's going to understand who you are right away. So if it knows I do seniors, I'm just going to select one that already has seniors on it so you can kind of see. All right, there we go. But like, say I take this one. This one right here says the placeholder information has Paso Robles, California, and these other details. You can see it has placeholder information that it wants me to fill out, but I'm not ready to. But if I was going to, I could just ask PhotoBiz AI simply to rewrite this with my details. So let's showcase how that's done. So let me load that in. So I'm going to click on this block here, right? Click on it. We see the Ask PhotoBiz AI. I'm going to just tell it to, ask PhotoBiz AI to rewrite this whole section. Now, if you give it any information, it will rewrite it based on that info. But now that it already had this pre-existing text here, you can see what it came up with. Capture your senior year in style. Celebrate your senior year with Jane Doe Studios in New York City. Our sessions are tailored to showcase your unique personality style, creating lasting memories and treasure forever. From your playful, candid moments to stunning portraits, we'll ensure your experience is enjoyable and filled with fun. So that's all you had to do, and then I just changed the title. Look at that. I'm done writing this section. I don't have to worry about it. And now I'm ready to move on to the next one. So boom, it's live, it's ready to go. But you could do this in any section here. So it's saying something about, some capture your details, things like that. Modify this area here. Maybe it's some informational section just to get to know you more. I can just tell it. There we go. It already rewrote something right here with the types of energy that I've already brought to it. And then, of course, you can modify it how you go. But you can see it's already revitalized, looked at what was written there, and then now it's capturing my details along with the pre-existing text. Just makes things a lot faster at the end of the day. So definitely want to make sure that you have these types of things programmed in there. Just ask PhotoBiz AI and it will help with all those sections. Now, something else it's going to do is, and I think we'll come back to it later, is how it can also help with SEO. So this page might have no SEO generated for it yet, but I'm just going to ask PhotoBiz AI to do it. So let's see what it comes up with. Knowing my details, you can see that it's pre-programmed in there. Meta titles, meta descriptions, and meta keywords based on where I'm located at and what it is. Now, if I need to change the title of this page to be about an about page or a gallery, this is where I'll put those details in as well. But you can see it's already done the work where you're not having to slave over trying to figure out, oh, what's next? How do I make this work or anything like that? A lot of the work's already done for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Isn't that great? Now you can keep working and then you can focus on your clientele.